Hey y'all, welcome back. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. My name is Shaylin Denise. Welcome. If you're new here, what's good? I'm so happy to have you here. So as you can see, she's doing a little bit something different with her hair today. Today's video is going to be a cute little drawstring pony kind of tutorial. Super simple with drawstring ponytails, but I am in love with this ponytail that I got from the beauty supply store, guys. Without further ado, let's get right on into how I went from just looking like literally rolling out of bed, looking a hot mess, into, you know, a solid 7. All right, guys, let's get right on into it.
Have